today we're going to start our house. We have to wedge the clay and roll it in between two boards. It should be 1/4 of an inch. It could be a little bit more. These two boards helps me to control the thickness of the slab. Bang a little bit before you start rolling. Wedge it first. Keep turning. When the rolling pin hits these boards, then means the slab is 1/2 of the inch thickness or so. Then you have to make around 10 of these slabs and keep them covered until next day. So I already prepared my slabs here, and I'm going to show you how to start our house. All right, so we're not going to be done today, but we're going to start. So I have this printing paper, fold it in half and once more, and that's going to be our wall. All right, so I'm going to make 4 walls. Let's see how it fits in here. Yeah, it's perfect. So I'm going to outline. And use a ruler to cut. So you're gonna make 4 of those, and then for the bottom part you're gonna have bigger. You don't cut anything on that one. So just make 4 walls, and that's it for your homework. And then in the next video I'm gonna show you how to connect them. So you're making 4 walls, and you have 1 bigger slab for the floor. And that's it for now.